Hi, this is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law. There's several questions that I see on the internet about what is a living will. And there's one distinction I wanted to draw in Oregon about living wills. And generally speaking, I'm going to link back to another video where a living will, when people usually are commonly talking about it, what they actually mean is a will. And I know that there's other states that refer to wills as living wills. But in Oregon, usually when somebody's referring to a living will, what they mean is just the short form is what is commonly known as a will. But there is another form in Oregon that we title living will. And when we're talking about a living will in the legal context, what we mean is that we don't, or we're given an advance directive or an advanced intent with respect to life-prolonging procedures. So this is when, for instance, a person is now permanently in a vegetative state, and whether or not they want their life prolonged by life support or other prolonging resources that might be available at the hospital. And so usually these documents are executed more toward the end of life, or when a loved one has passed and they've gone through some of these processes or procedures before, as far as having their life prolonged. It's after one of these events where the person will sign a living will and say they've seen what's happened and they don't want their life prolonged in the same way. And they signed a declaration of their intent that they don't want their life prolonged in the same way. Or they just are aware from working in the medical profession about what's going to happen, and so they sign one of these living wills that declares their intent. If you have further questions or want to see a version of a living will or the more details about a living will, please contact an attorney. I generally have not seen these forms online, although I'm aware that they exist. But for more information and disambiguation between living will versus trust versus estate plan, please do talk to an attorney. This is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law. Thank you.